Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I'm a vlogger in YouTube. So, what is your name?
Maricel.
Maricel. So, how young are you?
I'm 25.
You look 21.
Thank you.
So, what made you come here in our country?
Philippines is such an interesting place, and I was amazed to find out that everybody here is so nice. So, you should come to visit Philippines.
If you're 25, what is your work in here?
I'm not working. I'm visiting.
You're just visiting the Philippines.
Yes.
How about you're Brazilian, right? How about in Brazil, what is your work?
For right now, I'm not working. I'm only traveling.
You're only traveling. So, what is your course in college?
I didn't study as well.
How about in high school? Where did you study? In high school?
It was in.
Brazil. In senior high school. Did you take up senior high school?
Yeah.
Are you a model here, Maricel?
Maybe next life.
Maybe next life.
Yeah.
How many months that you've been here in the Philippines?
Only one.
Only one.
Yeah.
Then, so I assume that you speak a little bit Tagalog, some Tagalog words.
Only maganda.
Yes, maganda means beautiful, but I guess you know how to say yes and no.
No.
No, okay. So, we say yes, just say oo.
Oo.
It's double O. When we say no, say hindi.
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 So, oo and hindi.
Yes. When we say about English, how did you learn to speak English?
At school and from friends.
From friends. So, do you think yourself that you are not yet fluent in English? You just speak a little English?
I think I can handle a conversation.
Handle conversation?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good to know. So, do you know how to say nothing in Tagalog?
Wala.
Correct. Correct. How did you know?
Just no.
Speaking of nothing, do you know the song When You Say Nothing at All?
No.
Do you are the kind of person who loves listening to music?
Yes.
Do you know the song? You said you don't know the song When You Say Nothing at All, but I guess you're familiar with it.
Can you sing it?
It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart
I don't know.
without saying a word.
I don't know this
How
song.
about the chorus? The smile on your face lets me know that you need me.
Don't.
You still don't know? Is he your boyfriend?
No.
Hi, sir. So, what
Thank
are the...
you so much.
Okay. Can I ask some more questions?
No,
Okay.
I need to go back to my
Okay.
friend.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Miss
Bye
Maricel.
bye. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.